Hi, all. So, in this session, we are going to introduce you to Power Apps, and also we are going to build one Canvas app. Now, Power Apps, as you all know, is used to build apps that allow you to take action on your data. Moving to the next slide, now you have basically three kinds of apps. You have Canvas apps, which are completely customized. You have model-driven app, which the design which is based on form, views, business rules, and more of the dataverse. And then you have portals where you can expose it to your external customers with authenticated with proper authentication. On the left hand side, you can find the data sources. Now these are the few of the data sources which I have copied here, but there are many more which you can find it on your Power Apps. With this, these are the basic elements of your Power Apps. We have Power App Studio where you build the Power App. It's a basically web interface, so you don't need to download anything. You have app format, which can be a tablet or phone, and then you have galleries, which can give the layout to your app. You have forms where you can enter the data. You have some controls. These are general controls which are there in any app. Then some intelligent control, which includes your camera, barcode scanner, GPS, and others. And then you have functions which can help you in segregate the data the way you want. Okay. Now, coming to the next session, which is our core, where we are going to build one Canvas app. Uh, Now, as I mentioned earlier, that in Canvas app, you the user can define the user interface of the Canvas app. Here, in this example, we are going to take input as a Microsoft Excel. You can download the same Excel from the link given in the comment section. The business problem is that there is a team of HR managers who are hiring associates from multiple locations. Now, what they they hire associates, they take some details of those associates, and they consolidate in a central Excel repository. What we want is we want to replace the job which they are with the Excel, they are doing with Excel with Power Apps. So we are going to create a Power Apps so that to enable them to uh, add the associates which they are hiring, to edit the information of those associates, and after saving it, it should get saved in your central data repository. So the example which we are using here is Excel, but you can use any sort of data source which was mentioned earlier. So coming to this, I will just share the data source which we are using here, which is our HR hiring. So you can see here, these are the columns, which is ID, then title, which is your name of the associates. Then you have a subtitle, which is basically for the position they are hired. Then you have experience, notes, state, country, and other details, along with the photos of those hired associates. So I will just close it here and move to our Power Apps. So this is our Power App. Now to build a Canvas app, we are going to first select the data source. So I'm going to select of my data source here, uh, which is going to be which is my data sources here. So I'm going to select it, and we can see that within minutes, it is going to create one app. Okay, so you can see here the app is created. A few of the features of this app is on the left hand side, if you will see, uh, there are three screens here. You have browser screen, you have detail screen, and you have edit screen. In the browser screen, uh, you can find uh, the image of the associates. Just give it a minute. It takes some time to get loaded. And then you have this item dot address. You can change it as per your requirement. You can give it title here, right? And you can give subtitle here. So based on your requirement, you can use it. So I just need to make a change in the top one, and others it will automatically takes that. So, and this layout can be completely customized if you want. You can change the layout as per your requirement, and then you can add the fields whatever you want, as what I have done. You can change the layout from here. Like suppose you want only title and subtitle, blank, title, subtitle, body. So these are the options which you can find here in the layout section to change the layout. Then, apart from that, there is a details screen here where you can find the details of the associates. Again, these are the few of the columns which a Power App has taken from our Excel sheet. You can edit them, you can add more fields, you can remove the fields if you want using this field edit option. Uh, Apart from it, you can customize this edit screen. Now, let me play this first. So you can see here, let me play it from the beginning. 1 second. Just give it a minute to load. Okay, so if I will play it here, you can see it is going to take me to the next screen. Uh, I can sort them, I can add new records, and I can go here and edit these fields. Any change, what I'm going to do in these fields, is going to get reflected in my data source. Uh, if I want to edit it, you can see it's pretty cumbersome to edit like this. So what we can do here is I can change the layout. I can go to here, my edit screen. I can go to edit form, and I can change the layout to horizontal. So now if I will publish it, give it a minute to load again. Now if I will publish it, and I will go to edit, you can see it's becoming, the fields are easier to update now. So all this customization can be done. The agenda of this session is just to give you an introduction of this Canvas apps with respect to your PL 900 certification. So what you need to remember is that there are in the Canvas app, you can design your user interface the way you want. There are three components: browse screen, detail screen, and edit screen. And all this customization you can do through our Canvas apps. In the next session, we'll go through model driven apps and portals. Thank you.